Welcome to Speak English with Muskan.
Hello. Nice day, isn't it?
Yes, it's beautiful. Perfect weather for a walk.
Do you come here often?
Yes, almost every morning. It helps me relax.
Is this your first time here?
No, I come here with my friends sometimes.
What's your name?
I'm David, and you?
I'm Anaya. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
Are you from around here?
Yes, I live nearby, just a 10-minute walk from here.
Do you live alone or with family?
I live with my mum and dad. What do you do for a living?
I'm a teacher. And you?
I work in IT.
Are you taking a break from work?
Yes, just a short walk during lunch.
How long have you been coming to this park?
For about a year now.
Do you know if there's a jogging track here?
Yes, it's right around the edge of the park.
The flowers are so beautiful today.
Yes, the gardeners take good care of this place.
Do you feed the birds here?
Sometimes I usually bring some seeds with me.
Do you like this park?
I love it. It's peaceful and green.
Is there a children's play area here?
Yes, just behind those trees.
Do you jog here every day?
Not every day, but 3 or 4 times a week.
Do you ever come here in the evening?
Yes, it's beautiful at sunset.
Are there any yoga groups here?
Yes, there's one near the lake every morning.
Do you take your dog here?
Yes, he loves running around.
Is there a washroom nearby?
Yes, near the entrance gate.
Do you know if bicycles are allowed?
Yes, on the cycling path only.
What do you usually do in your free time?
I like reading and gardening.
Do you cook at home?
Yes, I enjoy cooking on weekends.
How old are you?
I am 26 years old, and you?
I'm 24 years old. Do you work from home?
Sometimes my job is flexible.
How do you manage stress?
Walking in nature helps a lot.
What's your favorite season?
Spring, everything looks so fresh.
Do you travel often?
Only during holidays.
What's your hobby?
Painting. I love colors, and yours?
I love reading story.
Do you watch movies?
Yes, mostly on weekends.
Have you tried the ice cream cart near the gate?
Yes, the mango flavor is amazing. Have you ever done a picnic here?
Yes, last Sunday with family.
Do you come here alone or with someone?
Alone usually, sometimes with my mum.
Do you have any siblings?
Yes, one brother. Do you?
I have 2 sisters.
What languages do you speak?
Hindi and English. And you?
Same here, and a little French.
Have you traveled anywhere recently?
Yes, to Jaipur. And you?
I went to Goa last month. Do you play any sports?
I play badminton. You?
I play football.
What's your favorite food?
Biryani. Yours?
I love pizza. Do you like to read books?
Yes, especially novels. You?
I prefer self-help books.
What time do you wake up?
Around 7 a.m. And you?
Usually at 6:30 a.m.
How do you go to work?
By metro. You?
I use my scooter. Do you exercise daily?
Yes, I go for a walk. Do you?
I go to the gym.
Where are you from?
I'm from Lucknow, and you?
I'm from Mumbai.
Should get going now.
All right, have a great day.
It was nice talking to you.
Same here, hope to see you again.
Do you come at the same time every day?
Yes, around a m usually.
Maybe we can walk together next time?
I'd like that.
Do you have any tips for beginners in jogging?
Start slow and stay consistent.
Do you use any fitness apps?
Yes, I use one for counting steps.
Take care.
You too.
See you tomorrow?
Yes, I'll be here around the same time.
It's getting late. Better head home.
Yes, before it gets dark.
Bye. Have a great evening.
Bye, you too.
If you enjoyed this conversation, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more simple and fun English speaking practice. Hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching.